everybody. Hey everybody. I don't know why I just said that twice. Okay. Today in this dude, Andrew accidentally made this 10 cents. Did he accidentally do that? Yeah, that actually looks sick though. That actually looks really sick. So I'll probably equip that. Today in this video we're gonna be dropping some skills on some players. You see my skills so far? They're getting better. You know, people are roasting me for having such terrible skills. You know, they're getting better. They're getting better. Oh, dude, my mom's screaming in the background for no reason. Like, okay. Oh, oh, dude, what is it? Oh. So I don't know if Andrew accidentally made the ruby spear that low of a cost, but I'll definitely take the offer, Andrew. I hope you do that more accidentally. Dude, no, I was just about to no scope him. Okay. Okay, we're gonna be helping this noob. No, please. I'm being help. I'm friendly. I'm friendly. No, don't you dare, don't you dare, don't you dare. No. He's gonna, okay. He was just about to kill me. I had to kill him. Sorry for killing them. I think Andrew really made a humongous mistake accidentally, doing that. But I'll definitely take the free offer. Okay, I want one of these cool emotes. Which one should I get though? Silly dancing. I'll definitely buy that for a couple hundred. Oh yeah, baby. Okay. Ooh. Okay, I need to commit suicide real quick. Okay. Alright, let's change my emote button because now that I have an emote, now I can emote. I don't know what that meant. Okay. My emote button, which is P for some reason because I never used an emote, now it's gonna change to okay, now it's gonna change to B because that's my normal keybind in Fortnite. Woo! Woo. That's such a cool emote, dude. Now that I like spending the Robux. Okay. Okay. Um. Wait. I don't know why this isn't taken. Let's take this back. Um. Okay. I don't see anyone for some reason. Dude, why is a ruby spear though? 10 coins. Like, bro, they were. It was so cool. Okay. Well, you stole my kill. No. He's mine. Oh, nope, someone's gonna steal the kill from me. Yep. I hate it when people steal your kill, dude. It's so annoying. I hate it. Like, bro, there should be something where, like, if someone steals your kill, they don't get anything from it. They just get the kill, but they don't get anything from it. Wouldn't that be so much better? Yep. No. Okay, that was just unfair. I can't believe that Andrew made this cool pickaxe just 10 coins. Like, it's so good. Like, I love this pickaxe. It's so dope. Yeah, I do prefer the other one. There's a cooler one, but like, it's still really good. Wait. A color already, okay. I have a lot of coins, but I don't. I just like spending all my coins on cases. I don't know why. It's just a habit that I do. Oh, I got this. Okay, that's just the worst. That's just disappointing. Wait. Wait. Okay, I don't see anyone. Um. Now we gotta dance. Okay. Woo! Woo! Oh god. Where are all those shots coming from? Those shots are coming from nowhere. Well, from my teammate at least. Okay. Dude, what's he shooting at? No, hold on. Ah! No, this guy's just camping at. Okay, buddy. You think camping's gonna work for a second, but think again because it's not. Okay. I hate that Western quits juices. Well, not quits juices, but like, not an juices video because like, he's pretty much the strike of the juices community, basically. Like the strike, like basically the one who, like Joey's also pretty good, but like, you know, Western actually has more consistent uploads. Huh. Okay. Did you kill him? Okay, well, thanks. Okay, I want to try pickaxe with someone. Okay. Maybe I can like, dude, my edits got so sick. I can change my name to Encrypted Edits. Like my edits. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, definitely, if you guys are interested in joining my clan, I will leave a link to sign up on my Discord. Oh my god, this guy's actually low key. Like people like that, who people like can clap me really easily, will be able to join my clan because like I need some good players on my clan. Dude, this man just knocked me down. Like that's just unfair. That's just unfair. He just knocked me down. What? Dude, this pickaxe is so sick. Like I love it. This is the best pickaxe ever. Why was it only 10 though? Like, I think he accidentally did that. There's no way he made such a good pickaxe for only 10. Like, I can literally pickaxe this guy, someone and feel so satisfied doing it. Oh no. No, I want to pickaxe you. I want to pickaxe you. No. I want to pickaxe. No, I couldn't pickaxe this man. I want to get one pickaxe kill because this video is based on the new pickaxe. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh. Dude, this pickaxe is so cool, dude. I love it. I love this new pickaxe. I'm gonna pickaxe someone with the pickaxe. What? I no scope this man in the box. Wait, is he not in the box anymore? No! I missed a free kill. No, I'm getting this kill no matter what. No one's allowed to take this kill from me. Okay. Where is it? Oh, Docky S. What kind of name is that? Ugh. I'm kind of underrated. Like, don't you think I deserve more in the student community? Like, I'm so underrated, guys. Like, I think I deserve more in the student community. Even though I'm pretty underrated, I guess. I can definitely say that. Like, I have permission to say that for a fact. Also, guys, I will be posting a video on Saturdays because I have a lot of time on Saturdays. So if I don't post on Saturday, maybe it's because of homework. I don't know. Like, you know, school's really tough now. What? What? Okay. Oh wait, I thought I was okay. You know what? We're gonna go for a trick shot. What? Okay, this man edited through my wall, my stair. Like, you saw me put that there. Now I'm getting mad. Now I don't usually rage off camera. I don't know why I get mad on camera, but I don't ever rage off camera. Okay. I'm gonna try getting a pickaxe kill. Let's get a pickaxe kill. Oh, I wanna get a pickaxe kill. Let me get a pickaxe kill. Is there anyone here willing to give me a free pickaxe kill? Uh, uh, anyone here? I think this guy got it in the back. What the? Great, now we have people literally. This man's dancing on me. Woo! Woo! I love this dance so much. But we gotta get a pickaxe kill my last kill. I don't know why I didn't. Okay, well. Oh, you know what? I'm just gonna play one game of Battle Royale. Woo, we're playing. Not Battle Royale, I mean Zone Wars. Okay, Zone Wars is the GOAT. Okay. People who are goated play Zone Wars. I forgot that you have to wait like 10 hours though. Oh my god. There, I got in the game. Okay. Oh, what? Yeah, I'm not playing Zone Wars. I hope you guys enjoyed the video where Andrew accidentally made this cool dope pickaxe for 10 cents. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to subscribe. Bye.